Going to talk about solution to problem number 25 in 2020 AMC10A. This problem is about probability using dice and a combination of numbers. First, understand the problem. Jason has 3 dice to roll. He wants to get 7 as sum of the 3 values from the surface of dice. The first time, he may not get 7 so luckily, so he needs to reroll as a second time in order to get 7 as a sum. The question is how to reroll next in order to maximize his winning opportunity by choosing 2 of the dice. Second step, analyze the problem. The big question is, under what situations Jason would prefer to choose exactly 2 of the dice? Let's look at situations after first time rolling. As we know, if the sum is already 7, Jason won. Otherwise, in order to get sum as 7 from the second time rolling, let's assume n is the subsum value on rerolled dice. First option, choose one of the dice to reroll. P1n. N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 expected value in order to get sum 7. Option 2, choose 2 of the 3 dice to reroll P2. N equal 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice n cannot be 1 because the remaining dice needs to be at least value 1. Third option, choose all 3 dice to reroll. Function P3, the input value, has only 7. Conclusions. Jason will decide number of dice to reroll according to max value from P1, P2, P3. P1, P2, 3 are computed based on given combination of 3 numbers on the surfaces of 3 dice. Our goal is to find out when the max value equal to P2, which is Jason choose 2 of the 3 dice to reroll. Let's compute. Pick 1 to reroll, P1 equal to 1 out of 6. Pick all 3 to reroll, P3 equal 15 out of 216, because there are 4 different number combinations can lead to P3. Keep in mind, we are doing permutation rather than combination here because there are 3 dice. Pick 2 dice to reroll. If the targeting sum is 6, P26 will be 5 out of 36, so on. You can look at the different number combinations here at the right side. This is a hint from the computation results. If we pick 1 to reroll, we got winning opportunity 6 out of 36. Pick 3 to reroll, 2.5 over 36. We intentionally using fraction in order to make easy comparison. Pick 2 dice to reroll to get sum 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. You get 5 different value, but notice P1 is the maximum, biggest value here. It's always bigger than P2, P26, P25, P24, and then P3, picking 3 dice to reroll. Lastly, P23, P22 are the smallest. If you have number 2, 4, 5 after first rolling, you will pick 5 to reroll in order to get value 1. Because in this case, you are using P1 as the winning opportunity, which is the biggest value. Do we always reroll 1 dice? Of course not. When do we reroll all 3 dice? This is one example. You will pick all 3 to reroll because you cannot pick one of these 3. And you cannot use any 2 of these 3 to reroll because their winning opportunity is less than 2.5 over 36. What about 3, 4, 5? You pick 1, 2, 3. In this case, actually, we can use 3 one of the 3, 4, 5 options. We need to find out cases for 3, 4, 5 among 6 to the third power total cases in order to get the answer. Solution. Looking for 3 numbers, and the sum of any 2 numbers is no less than 7. These 3 numbers are all from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 6. So when Jason picks 2 dice to reroll to get sum 6, he has these 3 numbers to look for. There are 3 cases in total. As we said, we are doing permutation, not combination. When Jason picks 2 dice to reroll in order to get sum 5, he has 3 different number combinations, 12 cases in total. Pick 2 dice to reroll to get sum 4. Jason has 6 different number combinations to watch for, 27 cases in total. Sum them up, you get 42 out of 6 to the third power. We have completed the problem solving.